In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube TV app crashing on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube TV app. Now completely close it and reopen it. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the YouTube TV app and swipe it away to close it. Then tap the app icon again to relaunch it. This simple step can often fix minor glitches and app crashes. Next up, give a first restart to your device. Restarting helps clear temporary system bugs that may be affecting the app. Next up, check for app update. Launch your app store, search for the app YouTube TV. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve app stability. Next up, check for iOS update. Launch settings, go to general, click on software update. If any updates are available, just update it. Outdated software can sometimes cause apps like YouTube TV to crash. Likewise, check the device storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete the app from your device. Press and hold on it, click on remove, click on delete again. Now launch App Store, search for the app YouTube TV and install it. And that's it. By following these steps, your YouTube TV crashing on iPhone will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.